everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and add another account on Snapchat, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, first of all, let's go ahead, open our Snapchat app right there in mobile phone. What we're gonna do afterwards, we're gonna simply go ahead, tap on our profile icon on top right corner. Now we're gonna go to settings icon and we're gonna simply scroll down and tap on this logout option. We cannot add another account if we do not log out from the existing ones. We're gonna log out. We're simply gonna log out of it. Once we logged out, then we will have this option called sign up, switch account option. Tap on switch account option and we can simply add another account's username and password. Tap on this login information and we are good to go. We will be logged in with another account of ours in Snapchat. If in case you're confused with your password, you can simply go ahead, tap on this forgot your password, and you can go ahead, reset your password, enter it over here, and again log in with your another account that you wanted on Snapchat. This is basically it, guys. This is a very easy way you can do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.